Good morning, guys. Today, our discussion is more on organizational culture. So, what is organization? An organization is nothing but a common platform where individuals from different backgrounds come together and work as a collective unit to achieve certain objectives and targets. The word organization derived from the Greek word organon. It is a setup where people join hands to earn a living for themselves as well as earn profits for the company. An organization consists of individuals with different specialization, educational qualification, and work experiences, all working towards a common goal. Here, the people are termed as employees. What is culture? Culture is an attitude, traits, and behavioral pattern which govern the way an individual interacts with others. Culture is something which one inherits from his ancestor, and it helps in distinguishing one individual from the other. So what is organizational culture? Every organization has a unique culture, making it different from the other and giving it a sense of direction. It is essential for the employees to understand the culture of their workplace to adjust well. Every human being has certain personality traits which help them stand apart from the crowd. In the same way, organizations have certain values, policies, rules, and guidelines which help them create an image of their own. Organization culture refers to the beliefs and principles of a particular organization. The culture followed by the organization has a deep impact on the employees and their relationship among themselves. So here you see two organizations, which is Organization A and Organization B. In Organization A, the employees are not all disciplined and are least bothered about the rules and regulation. They reach their office at their own sweet time and spend their maximum time gossiping and loitering around. While on the Organization B, this organization follows employee-friendly policies and it is mandatory for all to adhere to them. It is important for the employees to reach their workplace on time, and no one is allowed to unnecessarily roam around or spread rumors. So in Organization B, they have the strong organization culture, wherein it refers to the situation where the employees adjust well, respect the organization's policies, and adhere to the guidelines. In such a culture, people enjoy working and take every assignment as a new learning and try to gain as much as they can. They accept their roles and responsibilities willingly. While in Organization A, they have the weak organization culture. In such a culture, individuals accept their responsibilities out of fear of superiors and harsh policies. The employees in such a situation do things out of compulsion. They just treat their organization as a mere source of earning money and never get attached to it. So there are different importance of organization culture that we must adhere. Number one, a common platform where individuals work in unison to earn profit as well as livelihood for themselves is called an organization. It is a place where individuals realize the dream of making it big. The culture decides the way employees interact at their workplace. A healthy culture encourages the employees to stay motivated and loyal towards the management. The culture of the workplace also goes a long way in promoting healthy competition at the workplace. Employees try their best to perform better than their fellow workers and earn recognition and appreciation of the superiors. Every individual is clear about his role and responsibilities in the organization and know how to accomplish the task ahead of the deadlines. No two organizations can have the same work culture. It is a culture of an organization which makes it distinct from the others. The work culture goes a long way in creating the brand image of the organization. The employees must be treated equally and no one should feel neglected or left out of the workplace. It is essential for the employees to adjust well in the organization's culture for them to deliver their level best. The work culture unites the people who are otherwise from different backgrounds, families, and have varied attitudes and mentalities. The culture gives the employees a sense of unity at the workplace. It is the culture of the organization which extracts the best out of each team member. In a culture where management is very particular about the reporting system, the employees, however busy they would send their reports by end of the day. No one is to force anyone to work. The culture develops a habit in the individuals which makes them successful at the workplace. And that's the end of our lesson about organization culture. I hope we learned something from this one. Bye-bye.